Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, sorry, I just woke up, so my voice is a little groggy. So before I start the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and comment. Definitely helps push my algorithm out to more stuff, to do more stuff, which is awesome. With that being said, I wanted to go into the SPX and yesterday's ridiculous drop that actually it was unexpected, especially because I completely forgot that we had PPI yesterday, right? Completely forgot that we had PPI yesterday. I had no idea that we were actually going to drop the way that we did, especially with news. I actually got extremely effed. I was super long on my Forex account, and I actually ended up losing about 80% of my new account. So I ended up going from like 1,800 down to like $100 to like $200, and then I went back to like $1,000. So it's not. So it was a pretty stressful day yesterday, just because I was trading all day and stuff. I have a little bit of a cough too, so that kind of sucks. But the inevitable happened yesterday, and this is a video that is probably gonna be, again, one of the most important videos of the year. Last time I made a video like this, we were at 430, and I actually told you guys that I was selling, and that's when I sold off my full Robinhood portfolio, right? I sold everything. I sold absolutely everything. And I think we're gonna be, and I think the same thing is happening now, right? Same exact thing is happening as what happened over here, right? We ended up, right? So you had two trends here. You had a major trend, which was right here, and that didn't actually end up breaking until, you hit peak, came all the way down, and your major trend didn't break till September 15th or so, right? And then you had your minor trend, which is the trend within like a major trend, right there, right? That was a really good sign after breaking that minor trend that you're going to go all the way back to that major trend, right? The first one. Here, you do not have a minor trend. So this trend right here is basically the same thing as breaking this major trend back on that started June all the way, to here essentially, right? So not only do we have major trend broken, right? You have major trend broken here, right? But you also have the weekly, closing bearish. And as of right now, I have to say that we are more than likely at that same spot that we were. We're right around this level here. We already hit 430. We're right around that 422 level. And it has to be, and it's the same thing, right? Again, you already hit trend. You're right around this like 448 level, right? You already hit trend. You're back at like 390, 392 or so, right? So again, every single time we hit trend and we close a bear week, right? You go down extremely hard. Let me see. Before any recovery, there you go. Kept going down. Right there, you dropped $82, right, from trend. Before seeing any recovery, right? Again, like around $82. 49 days, 56 days. And again, you already closed bearish, right? You closed Friday. You officially closed this. Let's go with 56 days just to be on the safe side. And then $82. Like $81, $82, somewhere like around there. Boom. As of right now, right? I guess, the only thing that's stopping this from actually coming down this hard is CPI. That's going to be the nail in the coffin. I think if CPI actually comes in lower, 7.7, you have a really good chance of closing out this bear week and canceling this out, right? So as of right now, TA says we're going down to $330 on the SPY. If CPI actually comes out at 7.7 or lower, it does actually mean that inflation is coming down, and we might actually rally extremely hard. And this whole drop from yesterday might actually get canceled out. All right. So CPI is like the last, the last indicator of us actually being able to be saved to the upside, right? That's really it. This video isn't about like TA. I'm not going to go into anything else. Technical analysis right now, or at least from my indicators and from historical like happenings, we're going down to 330. And today and yesterday, and because we closed the bear week yesterday, we're at the absolute beginning. The only thing, in my opinion, that can cancel this out is if CPI comes in, some like a lot lower than 7.7, which was last month. So this upcoming week, we are gonna see CPI on Wednesday. So whether you want to trade it or not doesn't matter. I think that's going to be the most important number, I think, going forward, because I think it will determine if we're going to run all the way down to 330, or if we're probably going to cancel this out and we're going to pop back to like 400 and like something, right? I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.